Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, it's been a while since I've done an avalanche video, so we're going to dive right in, again covering our three time frames. We've got the weekly, daily, and then immediate short term for 4 hours. Also our key areas to watch as resistance and areas of support. So let's dive right in. Heading over to the weekly time frame, we can see that AVAX is trading at $36.58. We can see that on numerous weeks here, we've been holding very closely with our 20 moving average as an area of support and retesting this area of support as of this week as well. A daily close above our 20 moving average, closer to that $41.48, is going to have a nice rebound, especially from this current uptrend that we've been experiencing. It has been quite a struggle week after week here for AVAX, in my opinion, here ever since December 16th. Normally, this retracement pull would be natural as the price continues to climb closer to the high of $55, a nice pullback, and then a continuation. So we're seeing a lot of that tug and war in terms of the bulls and the bears, especially perfectly matched within December 30th and then going into January 6th. So as an area of resistance, that $41.48 is going to be very critical if this rally is going to rebound and bounce very nicely. In terms of our key indicators here, the RSI is coming out to 48%. Again, very, very neutral. The price and the RSI can come up or down itself. Ideally, if we're going to come up to a nice rebound, and for that rally, we want to come up to that 55%. And of course, we see the MACD indicator here. We can see that the bullish momentum is diminishing, basically indicating a reduced buying pressure. The bulls do need to reclaim again the 50%, 41.48, if we're going to see a nice recovery come up to retest the $55.17. On the downside here, if we are seeing a very small body kind of coming up to the very top here, it is known as a hammer candlestick, and observed at the downtrend is a possible reversal candlestick. But let me know what you guys think down below here. We are holding very nicely on our moving averages. If we do see a close below our 20 moving average, immediate support is going to be found on our 50 moving average around $32. And then if not, we're going to find it near the next retracement level at $28.84. Heading over to the daily time frame here, we can see that AVAX is kind of consolidating sideways, meaning price coming up to an area of resistance at $37.89 and then coming down to this area of support at $34.96. So this area of consolidation is just a temporary pause, or it could be a reversal. We can see that the Bollinger Bands here, the upper and the lower band, is kind of going sideways. It's going horizontally. Possibly it's going to pinch. When we see that pinching occur, it's going to amp up in a breakout. And ideally, if we do see the price is below the 20 moving average, when that pinch happens, it may come down, most likely come down to the outskirts of the bottom on a downtrend. But if we do see a daily close above our 20 moving average, when that pinch does occur, it's going to come up and rally towards the upper band here and be considered as overbought. In terms of some of our indicators here, it is kind of looking a little bit more of a bullish outlook. We do see our histograms that measures momentum on our MACD indicator getting lighter in color and getting smaller in size. So the sellers may be fending off a little bit, but it is going to be a test coming up and retesting this area of resistance at $37.93 in order to, reclaim on another high closer towards $45. We do ideally need to break above these moving averages. So that's kind of areas here to watch if we're able to reclaim the 20 moving average. Next target here is going to be $45. If we do lose initial support down here, $34, price may come down to that $30 here at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band. Heading over to the immediate support here or immediate time zone of 4 hours, I'm just going to do another Fibonacci level just so we can be able to see in this consolidation zone a little bit more of our key targets. So we can see again the reaction here. We see this pinch of our Bollinger Bands amping up for a breakout. Price failed to break above our 20 moving average. Where was it found in that pinch? It was found below it, came down, considered as oversold here, as we can see, and then we're able to have a nice rebound to the upside. So that's kind of what I was explaining on the daily time frame. It's good that we're able to have an example so I can kind of show you guys. But what's happening at the very top here? Well, we're having a lot of struggle in terms of the aggression of the bulls. So as we can see, that nice bounce, that nice recovery here for AVAX, it's great to see. We see these candlesticks here, these spinning top candlesticks. We've got 1, 2, 3 candlesticks coming up to the top here. This kind of shows some weakness in terms of the convictions of the bulls. In order to pop over and close above our 50 moving average, ideally we do need to see bigger candle bodies. If we're seeing multiple candle tops or these spinning tops candlesticks at the very top here and not bigger bodied green candles, then essentially the sellers may step in and have a nice, or not nice, but may have a pullback closer to our 20 moving average. So essentially, if we're able to break above the 78% of our fib, if I scroll out, there's been multiple areas here that has been a struggle as an area of resistance. So this is the key area that a lot of people are going to be seeing. If we're able to break above the 78% of our fib, next test is going to be immediately right after here, $37 at our 50 moving average. Again, we do want to see that bullish candlestick formation. All of our indicators here are showing bullish as well. Our RSI is at 64% in bullish territory. We've got the MACD indicator here with these histograms going green and growing stronger. The only thing here that may be a little hesitant is the MACD line is below the actual neutral line here. So it does have some bearish hindrance because probably here, again, on the daily time frame, that the price is found below our moving averages. But essentially here, guys, just be very cautious as we're coming up to a high and a known resistance area. If we're able to have higher volumes, bigger green candlesticks, price is going to come up and possibly rally around the 38%. If we failed that, and if we're, don't break above this resistance level, price is going to come down immediately and retest the 20 moving average around $36. If not, it can come down to that $35 where we see a few of these candlestick wicks kind of retracing to until it's able to find an area of support. But let me know what you guys think down below. I'm sorry, I'm kind of talking a lot in my videos here. Let me know what you think, your outlooks here for Avalanche or AVAX down below in the comments. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.